Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable multi-factor authentication on Discord. So firstly, you need to open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. You need to type down discord.com and enter it, and after that you need to select this open Discord in the top right. So from here, once you get into this interface of your profile, you need to select this settings key on the bottom, and here in the left hand side you need to select this accounts under the setting. And over here, there's an icon for this multi-factor authentication. Simply select Setup. So over here, you'll find an option for the Disable Authenticator app. What you need to do is simply select the Disable Authenticator app and you need to confirm the removal. Your account will no longer require MFA for sign-in. And you need to proceed to the on-screen instruction. You need to verify your identity by using one of the following: a code from your Authenticator app, an 8-digit backup code, an SMS code if you previously enabled SMS as a backup. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.